Why am I like this? I keep telling myself I'll stop. Tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, and I do it again. I know it's bad for me. I know it's wasting my time. I even promise myself this is the last time, and yet here I am. Again. Why? Why is it so damn hard to quit? Why do I keep falling into the same cycle? Why does it feel like I'm fighting against myself? And if breaking a habit is just about willpower, then why does it feel impossible sometimes? Have you ever caught yourself doing something you swore you'd quit? Be honest, drop it in the comments. I want to know I'm not alone in this. Here's something that completely changed the way I see habits. It's not about willpower, it's about wiring. Your brain is not working against you. It's working exactly as it was designed to. Your habits aren't random. They follow a pattern. Scientists call it the cue routine reward cycle. Cue, something triggers your habit. You feel stressed, bored, tired. Routine, you do the habit. Scrolling endlessly, smoking, binge watching. Reward, your brain gives you a little dopamine hit. It feels good, temporarily. And over time, that loop gets stronger. Your brain literally rewires itself to crave the habit, which means breaking it isn't just about stopping, it's about rewiring. That's exactly why I put together a full guide with 7 powerful ways to break bad habits, backed by psychology and real strategies that actually work. You'll find the link in the description so you can start making changes today. But right now, think about it. Every habit has a trigger. Do you scroll on your phone when you feel stressed? Do you grab junk food when you're bored? Do you light a cigarette the moment you step outside? You can't change a habit unless you know why it happens. Action step. Start tracking when and where you do the habit. Write it down. Awareness alone is already the first step to breaking free. But first, click the subscription button below so YouTube keeps showing you our effective tips to help you break free. You can always change your mind later if you want. Most habits stick because they're too easy. Your phone is right next to you, so you pick it up. Junk food is in your kitchen, so you eat it. Solution: make it harder to do. Put your phone in another room while working. Delete the apps that waste your time. Replace junk food with healthier options. Small changes make a big difference. Here's the mistake I made over and over. I tried to just stop the habit. No replacement, no plan, just stop. But your brain doesn't like empty spaces. If you take something away, you need to replace it with something better. Instead of scrolling, read a book or listen to a podcast. Instead of snacking, drink water or do deep breathing. Instead of staying up late on your phone, set a bedtime routine. And over time, the new habit becomes stronger than the old one. So, what if this time is different? What if you don't have to stay stuck in the same loop? What if breaking bad habits isn't about trying harder, but trying smarter? Your brain is powerful. Your habits don't define you. You define them. So, today, start with one small step. Pick one habit. Identify the trigger. Make it harder to do. Replace it with something better. But, listen, breaking bad habits isn't about punishing yourself. Guilt, stress, and anxiety, they don't help. In fact, the more you beat yourself up, the more you stay stuck in the cycle. So take a breath. Forgive yourself. Be kind to yourself. It's okay to struggle. It's part of the process. What matters is that you keep moving forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. That's why I put together a simple guide, 7 powerful ways to break bad habits. It's not about forcing yourself or trying a million things at once, just real, effective steps to help you finally make a change. If you're ready, you can find it in the description below. You got this. Let's break the cycle